Captain Fig. Oh, why aren't you adorable? Guys, this is my cat Fig. She is in my airplane. What a little puss. Elmo. Be careful, she gets swat at you. She's on her way to Portland. Fig, look here.
Where you going?
Figgy, you should mind your. Excuse me, Elmo. Hi, Fig. Captain Fig. Why aren't you a puss? She's a cute puss, right?
She's beautiful.
Where are you going, Portland? Because she's in
Why
Alaska.
Portland?
Because she's in Alaska Airlines.
Are we talking Oregon or Maine?
Portland.
No, Alaska. That means Oregon. I have to think very carefully before I say that word because I didn't grow up saying Oregon. We say Oregon.
Oregon.
Yeah, back east
Portland,
we don't know.
It's Portland, Oregon.
See, we only knew Portland, Maine. That's it. So tell us something. Tell us what's going on. Ragazzino, cosa mi racconti di bello? Dimmi qualcosa di bello.
Can't understand
Cosa hai fatto oggi? Hai dormito?
She only understands cat language.
Chi sei? Perché hai le cuffie? Ascolti le cuffie. Carina.
Don't bother the pilot.
Carina.
Aw.
Carina, sei carina.
Why isn't she a puss?
Dov'è tuo fratello?
I
Dov'è?
think you should speak English.
Dov'è tuo fratello?
She does not understand.
Yes, she does. They all understand by your tone
Meow,
of
meow,
voice.
meow, 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 meow. Why, she is adorable. Fig, where you headed to? Meow, 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 meow. Oh, Portland. Why isn't she a puss?
Here.
Nope.
Sorry. I just wanted to see her.
Puss-a-magusa. Puss. A little puss. She's a little puss. And when she's all so tired, she'll let me never get. She's a little puss. She's a little